Hey crafters, today, yeah, you see it? Today is Thursday. Today is Nature Thursday, Nature Destruction Thursday. Okay, let's get started. Ah! Oops. Ah! Aw, unlucky, too bad. Well, still keep going. If I don't drop it. La la la, oh, no. Here's another one, a new one. Oh, oops, I dropped it. Here it is. It's next to my foot. No. Open this one up. Don't drop it. Oh, I almost dropped it, I think. La 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 la. Okay. This one's good. Yeah, this one looked good. I like it. Yeet. Oh, here's one. Found one. I got it. Oh, it's open a little bit. Oh well, it's okay. This one doesn't look very good. Yeah, nope. Yeet. Oh, here's some. Number 3. La 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 la. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. And here, let me just get one. There we go. I got one. Now, I opened it a little bit. And, oh. Let me see. Is this one good? Yeah, this one's pretty good. No? Okay. Yeet! Yeet! Aw. This one does not look good. No. Well, just open it anyways. No. Yeet! La 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 la. Oh. No. No, please. No, this one's unlucky. No, yeet. Okay, oh, I found some. Right here. Yes. Coming over here. Yes. Right here, yes. Drop that. No. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, well. Too bad. Here. I got another one from the same little thing. La 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 la. By the way, there's gonna be a bonus at the end. This one good? Yeah, it's pretty good. Look at that. Look at the beauty. It doesn't want to focus. It just wants to focus on the dirt. Wants to focus on the dirt, not. Oh well. This. Oh, I dropped it. Next, now just skip to the where I show this one. Here it is. Oh, I dropped it. I keep dropping it. That one's good. Let's come over here. Oh, found some. Look at my foot. No. Oh, it's falling out. This actually looks pretty good. Pretty good. Yep. Showcasing it. Yep. Just trying to get the camera to focus, but it won't. It doesn't want to. Well, here's another one. And I'm trying to do a trick. Let me see. Nope, fail. Oh, yeah. Okay. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Oh, here, we're doing a weird trick. Whoop. No. I found one. Yep. Got it. That was a weird trick. I failed the trick, by the way. I didn't do it properly. Here it is. Look at it. Look. Okay, here's another one. La Opening it up. And here it is. Gotta take the bottom bit off. Oh, I almost dropped it. Here it is. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, show the camera. Yeah. This one's the last one before the bonus. And bonus time! This is the juice. This stuff on my finger is the juice from this. It's usually really sticky, but this time it's liquidy. Well, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you crafters next time. Goodbye. Whoop. Have a good Thursday. Nature Thursday for Get Crafty. Goodbye. Natural destruction on Nature Thursday. Goodbye. Whoop. Into the rocks. Woo. Bye.